Welcome to my channel's guide to everything. Today we are going to see some beautiful hairs that are for ladies in this channel. This channel guides to everything. We guide you on every aspect of life. This particular video is dedicated to women in the channel, ladies in the channel that are subscribers to the channel. This video is dedicated to them. We are showcasing long hairs, both human hair and artificial hair, how you can get them, where you can get them at a discounted rate. So if you watch the video very well, very clearly, you see these different types of long hair. So if you're a man here in this channel and you are looking at getting a very good weave-on or human hair or natural hair, this is a place you can go. We are going to see different kinds of hair, long ones that can easily get for your babe. So if you look at this one, see this kind of long hair that can be fixed, that will showcase the beauty of the woman. You see another one, it's a long hair, so it can be purchased here. You can get them on this channel. I'm going to provide a link to where you can get it on the channel. So as your friend, your girlfriend, your wife, as a man, you can procure any of this long hair for them. And also a lady watching this video, do not forget to just go check out the description box. You will see the link where you can get this long hair. There are human hair, the artificial hair. I want to show you, how they can be gotten. And they have 20% off. If you use my link in the description, you'll be given 20% off, which means it will be discounted for you. So, and just when you click on the link, you can order your long hair, and most of the order is free delivery to anywhere you are in the world. So you can see the long hair, how beautiful they are. See this one, how the long hair is. So I encourage you as a lady, get it from here, order, so it's beautiful long hair, beautiful long hair. You can get one, see them, curly hair. So wow, this is fine. So you can order them as a lady, 20% off with free delivery. So you can see the human hair material cut from young girl donor, comfortable feeling, beautiful shining, bouncy, shining, soft. You see how fine and beautiful the hair are. Exquisite top weft, double wefting, tight and near weft to avoid, nature and comfortable, full end, full and thick heady, without any tangible trouble, no knots, no splits end. 20% off. You lady, this hair is for you. Human hair material, cut from young hair donor, comfortable feeling, bouncy, shiny, soft. So look at it, very curly hair. You could see the hair, how beautiful it is. So you can order it. Just go to my description box and click the link below to order. Do not forget to share the video with your loved ones if you like it. And also do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, to everything. This is dedicated to ladies in the channel. Beautiful hair. Just natural human hair. This is not artificial, natural human hair. So you can get it. We deliver it to you straight to your doorstep at a discounted rate of 20% if you use the link below. So what are you waiting for? Start ordering for the hair. See how beautiful the hair is. Natural. If when you sleep with it, it's comfortable and it's shiny. It's beautiful, curly and shiny natural hair. So see it, beautiful, curly, shiny natural hair. So I recommend it for you. That's why we are here, guys. To everything will guide you on the best we can get for you. So you can just, click on the link in the description box. Click the link in the description box and order your own. We give you 20% discount. We give you 20% discount. It's comfort, young girl, comfortable feeling. The beauty of this hair is that how you feel, because natural hair, you feel comfortable with it, and it's shiny and curly. So I recommend it for you as a lady. You see beautiful ladies, wearing it. So I recommend it for you as a lady. I recommend it as a man for your wife, for your ladies, for your friends, for your wife, for your girlfriends. Just click on the link below to get it at a 20% discount, 20% off the original price. This is good for every occasion, for party, for celebration, for Easter, for Christmas, for any celebrations, for birthday celebration. It's good for a baby celebrating her birthday. It's good for your baby celebrating, her wedding. It's good for any lady that's going to do wedding hair. A very good one for someone who wants to do wedding, for birthday, for Christmas celebration, for Easter celebration, for holidays celebrations, for vacations, because it's cool. I recommend it for you. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, share with your loved ones. Share it, subscribe to the channel, guys, to everything. And also click on the link in the description to get one for you. Once you order, it will be shipped to your doorstep at 20% discount. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now. God bless you.